Thank you for joining us for a special day here in the life of Nokian Tyres. On behalf of more than 100 employees here and hundreds more throughout North America and thousands around the world, welcome.
Today we are celebrating the grand opening ceremony.
People of Ray County, the people of Dayton, you who have filled and will fill the jobs going forward, your work ethic, your value system, who you are, is one of the things that's so attractive to a global company like Nokian Tyres. So thank you for this community and the role you play in it in attracting a business like this.
They started with 80 sites, 80, and they ended up with one, and you're sitting in it right now, and that says everything you need to know about this community and its commitment.
Nokian Tyres does not exist as a separate entity in the corner of this community. We are part of this community, and it is part of us. And in front of all our partners, I am honored to officially declare the Nokian Tyres Dayton factory open.